In the realm of quantum physics, a true understanding of the universe's complexities often hinges on our ability to unravel the mysteries of mathematical equations. Today, we delve into the depths of the McGinty equation. Now don't worry, this won't be a dry mathematical lecture. Instead, imagine yourself as a detective, uncovering the hidden layers of a mathematical riddle. Our journey begins with the McGinty equation in its raw form, Psxt equals ΨQFT xt plus ΨFractal xt dmqs. This equation might seem intimidating at first glance, but fear not. Consider it as a puzzle waiting to be solved, a secret waiting to be revealed. The first piece of the puzzle is understanding the branching for ÇFractal. Here we face a decision point. If ÇFractal exists, we move to the right. If not, we go downwards. This decision point is crucial, and it guides the next steps of our exploration. We now find ourselves at the derivation of fractal. This is where the magic happens. Here we break down the equation further, and it starts to reveal its secrets. This step provides the foundation for the subsequent stages of our journey. Moving forward, we enter the realm of substituting fractal potential. This step is significant as it forms the bridge between the derivation of ÇFractal and the integral that we will soon encounter. Next, we face the challenge of solving the integral. This step might seem daunting, but it is here that the equation begins to take shape, leading us closer to the final form of the McGinty equation. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, the final form of the McGinty equation. This is where our journey culminates, where all the pieces of our puzzle fall into place. The final equation stands testament to the intricate dance of numbers and symbols we've been navigating. Bringing our journey to a close, we find ourselves at the end of the flowchart. We've taken a complex equation, dissected it, understood its components, and put it back together. We've unraveled the McGinty equation, a feat that not only expands our knowledge, but also opens doors to new questions, new journeys. Remember, each equation holds a universe within itself, waiting to be discovered. The McGinty equation is no different, so continue exploring, continue questioning, and continue unveiling the secrets of the universe, one equation at a time.